I'm
Yes,
going,
mate.
let's meet. We're going, I guess we're all going, not sure. To the ice. Oak. Cloaked. Gelicus is dead. Monkey's healing over here, gonna pressure him. Interrupted him. Fire blocked. Okay, I think they're running. Stable is empty again.
User disconnected from your channel.
Foi off. Podemos o nome. Eu gosto mesmo. E went offline. Não. Tem que.
User joined your channel.
Pode ser.
Yeah, foste quicado no telemóvel. Totalmente.
Foda-se, a sério.
Yeah. Geralmente não faz isso, não sei. Se eu
What the
jogar.
fuck? Pô, eu estou logo ainda está-me a aparecer.
Acho que cá com o Desert.
Foda-se. Yeah. Puta que pariu. 15 minutos, não.
One not stable. Should be okay.
Lá em cima estão.
Okay.
User left your channel.
King got 4 bases. Just gotta hold on to them and get that point lead. Okay, lumber mill. Shit. Oh yeah, they got all the healers here. Holy shit. Probably going in. They're probably going blacksmith now, I suppose. Yeah, they got other healers there. It's impossible to do damage. Like, watch out with the range. Make sure you can see the flag because of the low visibility. It's harder to call links here. Okay, PS is okay. No, I think they're coming BS actually. Yeah, just down there.
In the front.
Okay, I'm going nasty so I can just try to stay alive going there. Okay, he's dead too. That's soul stone, just in case. Blacksmith might be in trouble, I think. People need to call links. Okay, 6 dead people. Okay, blacksmith is okay. They'll probably try somewhere else now, I'm not sure. I'm gonna stay in my mount just in case. I think they're coming back to blacksmith actually. Sure. Never mind, there's a rogue at mine going there. Yep, see if you don't mind. And they're dead. Okay, going stables. I'm a bit far though. Healing on the monk. Interrupted him. Chaos bolted him. And Chaos bolted him again. DK is capping by the way. Hear them. Oh, there's two monks. About to put cooldowns. Okay. Yeah, cooldowns on. Okay, wait a second. DK still on the stables. His blood. Which means he's a bit annoying. What's that? Blacksmith. Trying to get there as fast as I can.
Amber clear.
Well, I believe we got this. 4 bases, 40 seconds. Okay, yeah, we got this. Oh, the Lamar is empty though. Man. Oh well.
Nobody number.
Well, we got 4, so that's the extra.
You win.
Yep.
Ooh, nice. Titan
What'd you get?
Forge.
Nice.